Hi there guys, welcome to Cable Dahmer Topeka. My name is Al Castillo. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2020 Chevy Malibu Premiere. So with the 2020, you do have a redesigned fascia. Back in 2019, integrated tail light, integrated LED lights. You're also going to have a chrome vest grill. You're going to also have your projector style LED headlamps. On the Premiere, you are going to have standard 19-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry system all the way around. With the Premiere, you're also going to have leather interior that's going to have power seats on both driver and passenger side. The Premiere also comes with a 2.0 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that gets you about 32 mpg highway and about 28 city. This one in particular is going to be filled with nitrogen air. With the Premiere, you are going to come with standard Bose audio system all the way around, a panoramic sunroof. You're also going to have a customizable LED infotainment system and a customizable center dash. You also have your heated and cooled seats on both passenger and driver side, memory seats for the driver. And these are just some of the cool features on this 2020 Chevy Malibu. Come see us today at Cable Dahmer Topeka. And my name is Al Castillo. Come ask for me.